Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper arms. Pinch with 2 fingers the 2 plastic tabs located on both sides of the arm, then slide the blade outwards to remove it. Take the new windscreen wiper and install the adapter that corresponds to your model. To put in place the new wipers, slide them down the arm of the wiper and clip it. Delicately place it down onto the windscreen.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Take the new windscreen wiper. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. You will hear a click when the stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.